Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix Cash App. Please try again later error. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, just go to your web browser and search for Cash App status. And from here, you'll be able to see if the Cash App is under maintenance or if the server have any issue. And guys, sometimes just simply have a stable internet connection in order for you to fix the issue. So guys, sometimes if you don't have a stable connection, the issue may appear. And guys, if it doesn't work, what you could do is try to make sure that you have the latest version of the Cash App. Just go to Google Play Store and search for Cash App. And then from there, when you have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And guys, if this method doesn't work as well, what you could do, guys, is try accessing Cash App outside of United States or UK. So in order for you to do that, you need to use a VPN. Just simply install a VPN from Google Play Store, and from there, connect it to a United States server. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.